Hi there. So I'm back at it again with another video. I think Vishal will agree I have a pretty extensive earring collection, don't you, Vishal?
Oh my god.
So as you can see from his reaction, I am an earring aficionado. Actually, I'm a jewelry aficionado. I really love jewelry. I wasn't like that all along, but after my teenage, I kind of became from a tomboy to a full-blown jewelry aficionado. So it was a metamorphosis. So today I'm coming to you with a few favorites from my jewelry collection. I have a very organized jewelry collection. I don't know other things, but jewelry and earrings are very much organized. Don't you agree, Vishal?
Definitely yes.
So I have them categorized over here. I have a box for statement earrings, tassel earrings, crystal and stone earrings, and hoops. Then you have your traditional earrings, precious and semi-precious earrings, a few subtle earring pieces, and then the miscellaneous box. So let me just start with two of my favorite statement earrings. Most of these earrings, I think many of them I've gotten from AliExpress before it was banned, and from other websites. And people tend to gift earrings to me, including the man behind the camera who gifted me an earring, I think 2 anniversaries ago. And yeah, so that's something people know about me. I absolutely love my earrings, and I'm really sad that I'm not able to wear them with many of my outfits. But definitely going forward, look out, I will be wearing more earrings. I haven't changed it for like a month now, and I will be wearing more earrings in the videos to come. Okay, now starting with my first favorite statement earring, it's these. And are they focusing, Vishal?
Yep.
Yeah, as you can see, it's like a black hollow, shout out to Christine, the nail queen, earrings. So these are something that I absolutely adore. They're kind of heavy, but yeah, I really like them because they tend to go with many dresses that I wear, the flowy dresses. As you actually you will see going forward that most of my earrings are brass, gold, and sort of that in that color format, because I have a neutral skin tone, and these things tend to suit me better. And if I find the link for any of these earrings, you will definitely have that in the description. Now for the second set. So these are the earrings. As you can see, they're colorful and they're very, very pretty. These are pretty big, but they're pretty lightweight. The previous one was actually heavy. This is very lightweight. This looks heavy because I think in the behind it's like kind of empty, so that makes it pretty lightweight. So this is definitely something that I love. Now going to tassel earrings. Fun fact, once when we were in Goa, Vishal and I, we were driving somewhere, and on the way, a favorite tassel earring of mine, which is going to make an appearance in a second or two, just fell off from my ear. You remember that, Vishal?
Yes, I do.
I reminded him plenty of times. So I came back home and placed an order for it once again. And these are those earrings. So they're really pretty. They are in this red, maroon, and orange format. And they're very, very pretty, very lightweight, and go with so many outfits, let it be Western, Indian, or anything. So this is definitely one thing that I absolutely adore. Tassel earrings are something that have always been a very favorite among all the other earrings for me, because they actually are they give a flair to any outfit. Another one, as you can see, are these white tassel earrings. This is something that I ordered off AliExpress, and they have stones as well as these white tassels, which makes them very, very unique. And last but not the least in this category, the grey tassel earrings. I absolutely adore these. I've worn this like at least a good 30-40 times till now, and knowing me, that's like quite a lot. And this is like one of those earrings which is like super soft and not heavy at all, and it's like really good to wear. Now going to the traditional category. So this is a pair of earrings that I think Vishal bought for me when we were going to a friend's wedding, and I didn't have green and pink jhumkas because my kurta that I was wearing at that point of time was green and pink, and I really wanted something traditional to wear with them. I bought these at General Bazaar in Hyderabad. This is something actually that's a very good shopping experience over there, but you need to bargain quite a lot. And this was like a good thing. I think I bought it for 135 rupees, and the quality has been amazing, and there's no color that has changed too. In this category of traditional earrings itself, there are two pairs of earrings which look kind of similar. These were a gift from my mother-in-law. She got these for me from Kolkata when she came back from there. So her family is from Kolkata, and these earrings, they're like very cute. They're like these tribal looking earrings, and I absolutely really like them, and I usually wear them with kurta and palazzos or leggings, and these go very well with that. So I absolutely like the colors on these, and I feel they're a good addition to any outfit, at least like in Indian outfit. Now to a very touchy pair of earrings actually. So I used to be a lecturer at a point of time, and I just had to, I had to let go of that position, and my students, they knew, like, students notice everything. I will definitely say that. Weren't you like that in college, Vishal?
Yes, I was.
So yeah, they noticed that I really loved earrings, and so as a parting gift, they got me these crystal and black stone earrings, which I absolutely adore. So this is from the category of crystal and stone earrings. You can see the shine on it. It was a very beautiful gift to receive, and to see that your students actually cared about you enough to give you a gift and let you know that they will miss you when you are not around is something that every lecturer or teacher hopes for. So yeah, that's a good thing to know. And in the same category, this was something that I bought off AliExpress for very cheap. I'm pretty sure we will never get this at this price. So I paid like somewhere around 85 or 95 bucks for this earrings, and these are like so pretty. They have like a peach colored stone and crystals on them, and I absolutely adore them. I've worn them with plenty of flowy dresses because they're pretty big and they go very well with those kind of peachy and the light blush pink numbers. So that's definitely something that I adore. And now this one, it's like office to evening wear kind of situation earring, wherein you can wear this to the office as well as just transition into evening wear. So this is small, it's not as big, and it's very lightweight, and it looks very pretty. So that's definitely a good addition to my wardrobe. Now to the hoop earrings part. So hoop earrings are something that I really like, so I actually went ahead and invested in a pair of gold hoops as well. But today we are looking primarily at imitation and fashion jewelry that I own. We'll get back to the precious jewelry one more day. So the next pair of earrings, or the hoops that I'm gonna show, was gifted to me by a dear friend. So she was Vishal's friend initially, and then we got to know each other, and now she's a better friend of mine than Vishal's. You know who I'm talking about, Vishal?
Rachel.
Yup. So Rachel gifted me these earrings, and so I usually wear them whenever I'm wearing something in that orange and red color scheme. And these are a good Indian kind of looking hoops. And another Indian looking hoops or crescents I may call are these. These are like oxidized silver ones, and they are like a cheap and best option when you want to wear something like a silver ish garment, and this goes well together. And the final one in this category that I absolutely adore again are these thick gold loops. So this also I think I got from AliExpress only. So I have these in silver as well. but they don't get as much wear for me. I prefer these the golden tinted ones because they tend to suit me better more than anything, more than silver. I think, yeah, my clothes also complement that golden color palette, so I tend to opt more for these gold type jewelry. And now coming to the subtle earrings, the real, like the reserved ones, which don't really make that much of noise like the others. These I wore to an anniversary dinner for the first time. There we went to this cute little restaurant called Tinespo in Kompally, Hyderabad. The food was great, and this was like a week post our anniversary, if I'm not wrong, Vishal.
Yep.
Yeah. So a week post, we were very sick during the when it was our anniversary. By the way, it's coming up. Hint, hint. So I wore these there for the first time, and I kind of like the way they look. They go with Western outfits, Indian outfits, or anything. So they're good. Like, they're multi-purpose, multi-use pieces. So you can wear them anywhere and anytime. So that's nice. And now in the same category, I have these asymmetric earrings. As you can see, they're really pretty, and the blue in color. And I don't know why they remind me of Sailor Moon. Do they?
I have never watched Sailor Moon.
Okay, anime fan. So yeah, I don't know why, but they remind me of something. I think it's the thing on her head or something, that it just remind me of them. And I just bought it because of that. And I've worn it a couple of times, and I've always received compliments on how cute and subtle they are and how cute they look. But yeah, definitely that's something I like wearing. And also, I just wanted to add these solid oxidized gold jhumkas that I own. I think so. I own these for from 2010 or 2011. So I've had these for 10 years, and I still wear them. And they basically, it's like whenever you're heading out in the kurta and this thing, you can forget about color matching and everything, and just pick these up, put it on, and leave. When you're in a hurry, this is the best option. Now coming to a few pieces that I think Vishal bought them for me. So these are specific Vishal purchases. So he got these pearl earrings from Jagdamba Pearls for me. So they are pearls with with green stone all across them. They're kind of pretty and subtle. So yeah, I don't know. I think I've worn them only once till now, and I mean, because of us working from home and not going anywhere else, unless we're just going for a long drive or anything. We don't. I think we went to the restaurant last time we went to the restaurant after how long, Vishal?
I don't know.
3 months, 4 months, 5 months, I don't know. April,
maybe.
Right?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, since April, that was the first time we went to a restaurant. So yeah, that was definitely once in a while thing, and it's definitely going to be a once in a while thing until we get vaccinated. And a small earrings that I gifted myself actually. So these are silver earrings from VBJ. As you can see, they have stones on all the sides, and they're really cute. I got them when I was in Bangalore for work. So I went there for some business meetings, and I just stumbled upon a Bumidi Bangaru Jewelers, VBJ, and these were really cute. So I love silver earrings too. So this is something that I absolutely adore. So this is and this is a very good on the go when you're on the work kind of a jewelry. And of course, this is a recent acquisition of mine. Thanks to Vishal, he gifted me these. These are Swarovski earrings that I got from GRT. They're silver based and have Swarovski stones on it. These are very pretty and go very well with office clothes basically. So I wear Western formals for office sometimes, and on those days these shine like a diamond. Fun fact, don't own any diamond jewelry because I don't know, it's I find it's a huge investment for the stone and everything. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it in case somebody can change my mind. Well, great. And final category, the last 3 earrings that I'm absolutely crazed about right now. So these are the 3 earrings I haven't worn yet. I just purchased them. It's been like, I think, a couple of weeks since some of them came by. So the first one is these traditional earrings from Zaveri Pearls. I got these from Amazon. I'll put the link down below. These are really pretty, and like, I really like the look of them, the mango look or whatever. This is not something that I've seen very often at this size, and I like wearing a little chunky earrings most of the time, but I also have a huge collection of studs when, like, I'm not on the what they say, in a function or trying to dress up for something. So for my coming up anniversary and birthday, I got these 2 pairs of earrings from Shazay. One is a little subtle and the other one's a little chunky again. So as you can see, these are a very pretty pair of subtle earrings that I got from Shazay. I really love them. I got at a great deal in Amazon too. So I'll just put it, if I find the link, I'll definitely put it down below. And these were a gift to myself. And the other pair of chunky earrings that I was talking about is this. Aren't they pretty, Vishal?
Okay.
So yeah, these are a few earrings that I own. They're definitely at least 20x more, and that's not there in the video. And of course, we are running out of time, and that too, we cannot put those many earrings. I cannot review every single one of those. Yeah, so I think we can say bye-bye over here and see you in the next one.